Today's project, emptying the hot tub and refilling it. We're going to be testing out a new pump that I was sent. Full disclosure, I was sent that for free to test and evaluate. I was doing some research on their site and reached out to them. I wasn't expecting anything for free, but they wanted me to test it, do a little review video. By the time this video posts, they should have these in Lowe's, and they're available online as well. So I'll leave links down below when I get the links for those so that you can see that. It's a SmartBot Robust 2800. It's a 1/2 horsepower motor that drives that thing. I've already had another pump that I was using that just didn't have enough pressure behind it to keep this continually flowing with pressure. It would go psh, and then it would turn off, wait for pressure to build, and it would psh again. The reason that I'm doing this is it just seems like a huge waste to take 450 gallons of water that's just essentially kind of dirty and just let it drain out literally to the street. So anyway, I wanted to be able to use my pressure washer. Let me get that thing opened up and hooked up, and then we'll test this thing out, see how much pressure actually comes out of this bad boy. SmartBot Robust 2800. Anyway, links down below. So this pump comes with a whole bunch of accessories. You're able to plug in really large profile stuff. This tells me that this is a pretty powerful pump. That's cool. All the different hose sizes. That's the one we want, standard garden hose size, so that's the one we're going to use. Some assembly required. All right, test number 2 with the SmartBot. This one, the pump's not running yet. I think it's got an on-off switch. Oh boy. Holy Moses! Woo! Okay, that's enough of that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Alright, so that just happened. Wow. I'm gonna go get cleaned up. I guess that one has a lot more pressure. We'll bust out the pressure washer and see how it does against keeping that thing running. Pressure washer all set up and hooked up and ready to go. So now let's test out and see if this thing will drive enough pressure fast enough to keep the pressure washer fed with water. Right, so do a constant stream out of it. That's what I was having with the other one. It would pump up, psh, spray, and then it would die down while the pressure built back up again. Psh, then die down. It was like 2 seconds off, or on, 4 seconds off. 2 seconds on, 4 seconds off. It was super annoying. I'm hoping this is enough. I can pressure wash all the things with hot water. It's perfect. Let's give it a shot. Set that on the first seat right there for now. Plug her in. See if we got any leaks first of all. And power. Pump's on. You can feel pressure going through it. Don't have a nozzle in it yet, that's why it's spraying like that. I'm just getting the bubbles out. Alright, let's try the green nozzle. This is a 25-degree tip. Alright. Nice. This is gonna work, I think. Let's just get after some pressure washing here. Well, I'd say overall, that is a win. It was able to supply enough pressure to my pressure washer to continuously run that for as long as I wanted to. It didn't skip a beat at all. It's fantastic. I did all of the back porch, a couple of chairs over there, the little patio, all of the hot tub, all the lid, all the way around the side of it. The steps that I just tripped over, did those as well. The cement right here, I'm going to continue and do the rest, but I'm not going to bore you with the details on that. But I was able to do all of that pressure washing, and it really only used, I mean, I don't know how to gauge how many gallons. This is a 450 gallon hot tub, and it's down, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches, maybe 3 inches overall. So I still have a crap ton of water and a crap ton of cement. But I think I'm just going to turn it on. I'm going to finish the cement area that I can reach real quick. I'm working on a really cool truck, so you should subscribe so you can see me work on that thing. And then I'm just going to turn it loose and let it run wild, run the water out that way so it can drain out to the street, essentially. Seems like a waste to get rid of this much water that's got really nothing wrong with it other than it's just time to change the water. Anyway, that's awesome. That thing's cool. Small but mighty. 1/2 horsepower submersible pump, 2,800 gallons per hour. That's awesome. It also will auto turn off if the water gets too shallow. So you can actually set this down in, say, a crawl space or something like that. You won't want to get mud or something in it, but it'll automatically turn on when the water level gets high, and it'll automatically turn back off when the water level is back down to low. So a flooded window well, a flooded basement, a crawl space, emptying a hot tub or a swimming pool. That one might be too small for a pool. It's perfect for a water heater. Perfect for a hot tub, which is fantastic. So I've been told that these are going to be available at Lowe's. So check your local Lowe's, big box store, etc. I'll leave links down below, so check those out as well. Appreciate you guys watching. This is Troy with DIY Home and Auto with a review of the SmartBot 1/2 horsepower submersible utility pump. It's awesome. Super high pressure. Did you see what it did to me? It soaked me. That was a little bit of a fail test. I should have, well, anyway, awesome. Alright, it's getting down to the very bottom. There's about 3, well, maybe 2 inches left. It's not sitting quite flat, but I want to just leave it the way I put it and see how low it'll go before it auto shuts off, because it does have the auto off feature. Should be getting pretty close to turning off. This one corner right there in the center of the screen is almost completely out of the water at this point. There, it's starting to suck air. There's about a 1/2 inch left at the bottom. It is still spinning. I think at some point it'll actually turn off. Let's test this and see though. Yep, there you go. It turned off. About a 1/2 inch of water left. I didn't read the documentation, but that seems about right from what I remember them saying in the emails and stuff when we were talking about it. So, SmartBot. get yourself one of those. That worked fantastic. Total to empty the hot tub was about 2 hours. 2 hours for 400 gallons. But that thing makes short work of changing the water in the hot tub. I give it a thumbs up. Super awesome. Links down below.